What's going on, champions? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about the low down payment, no PMI, no private mortgage insurance mortgage. This is a new product that Citibank just released targeting home ownership for the minorities and diverse communities. So blacks and Hispanic communities as advertised by Citibank. So right now, this program is supposed to be a program that will help people who are struggling to afford homes and those who are struggling with a high cost of homes. If this applies to you, you got to keep watching until the very end of this video, because I'm going to unpack who qualifies and I'm going to be talking about the features, the fine print, what's really included in this program that you got to know. We're going to talk about the benefits, right? And who qualifies. I mean, this is not for everybody. It's exclusively for people. But I tell you what, this program by itself is eliminating the need for you to have a perfect or a good credit score. People with no credit can qualify for this program. We're going to get right into it. But before we dive in, right, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing now to join this amazing community to stay informed on the latest helpful tips for your financial wellness and success. My goal on this channel is to bring you the gems, the nuggets that will help you thrive financially. So let's cut through the chase and get right back at it, right? Get back into it. So this is the program according to what you can see on the screen right now. This is the Citibank website. And once you get on this website, this program is called the Home Run Mortgage, right? The Home Run, the name says it all, right? And according to Citibank, the goal of this program is to provide a low down payment to help people purchase properties and make the home buying process easier and more affordable. So what are some of the key benefits that you really have to know? The very first thing you got to know here is the low down payment, 3%. Right? Down payment as low as 3%. That means if you're purchasing a home of $300,000, you are looking at bringing only $9,000. But there's also some fine print there, which means you can even bring lower than 3% of your own money to the closing table. But we're going to get into that here shortly. And the other thing that's very, very unique about this program is the no mortgage insurance requirement. So there's no PMI. For those of you who are not sure what PMI means, PMI just means that if you are not putting down up to 20%, most conventional loans are going to require you to pay additional amount of money, which typically is in the hundreds of dollars, and that could run up your mortgage amount real quick, right? Your monthly payment could just run up beyond what you can afford. So the no PMI by itself is a huge plus for this program, if you ask me. I'm gonna get into my sentiments and my opinions and my feelings about this program towards the very end of this video if we have some time. So stick with me till the very end, right? And then the other thing that you gotta understand here is that there's flexible credit guideline. Flexible, meaning you don't have to have a perfect credit score. You don't even have to have any credit. This program is also for people with little to no credit. Right? If you have little to no credit, no worries. They're going to use things like your rent payment, your utility payment to kind of gauge, your qualification, or to kind of evaluate your qualification for this program. So the other interesting thing too here is the mortgage rate, right? The interest rates are comparable to conventional loan rates. So there is no extra, you don't have to worry about paying more than the conventional loan rate. You're still going to be paying conventional loan rates, the conventional mortgage rate. So this is a big one, right? The other key thing here is you have to go through the education here, right? There's going to be a course or a counseling that you have to go through if you want to take advantage of this program. Then when it comes to the loan amount, how much do you have to or what's the cutoff, right? How much do you qualify for? How much do you have to purchase the home for in order for you to take advantage of this program, in a nutshell, right? So the loan amount here is up to $647,000. So if you are purchasing a home and you're intending to take out a loan that's more than $647,000, to be specific, $647,200, if that's the amount of loan or the property you're purchasing is over this amount, you're likely you're likely not going to qualify for this unless you live in places with high cost of homes like Alaska and Hawaii. In these areas, you can qualify for up to $970,800 in loan amount. So this is very, 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 very important for you to understand. Now, what types of properties can qualify for this? We're not talking about commercial properties. The other key thing you got to know here is these benefit also, or this benefits people who are also purchasing a property for the second time. So you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. You can also qualify for this if you are looking to refi your property. If you have a property right now and you're looking to refi, you can also qualify for this home run program or the home run mortgage. So single family homes qualify for this, right? Single family homes, you're looking at as little as 3% down payment. We're talking about a home with 4 walls around it and one family lives under it. That's a single family home. So with single family homes, you don't have to worry about putting more than 3% down. But the other unique thing about this very program is that it also covers people who live in condos, which is also a single family dwelling, PUDs, which are planned unit developments, townhomes, right? Condominiums, co-op properties. So you can also qualify for this with as little as 3% financing, 3% down. So this is very critical. Then the other catch here is for my friends out there who want to go out and house hack, or if you're looking to take advantage and be a landlord, right? If you want to get to live on one side and rent out the other unit, 2-unit properties, duplexes, you are going to find this program beneficial because this program also allows for people who are intending to purchase 2 units. However, the down payment is going to go up. It's not going to be the normal 3%. Now let's look at this fine print right here, right? It says that for people who are looking to purchase 2-unit properties, you are looking at putting down a little over 10%, roughly 10%, right? So your loan to value is going to be 89.99%, right? But if you live in an area with a really high cost of homes, you're going to see an 85% loan to value and up to $1.2 million in loan amount. So this is something very interesting. Remember, if you're trying to go conventional on a duplex or 2-unit property, you're likely not going to qualify unless you're putting down a significant amount of money. Most times 25% for investment properties, 20% and 15%, right? But this program also helps you qualify for duplexes. So I think this is a win for those of you who are looking to be a landlord. However, borrowers of a 2-unit property must participate in the landlord training from a city-approved community agent prior to closing. So they're going to have to train you. It's free education, right? You're going to have to go through the training for you to purchase a 2-unit property. So which areas, which cities can you purchase a home using the home run program? According to the city website, this program right now is live in major Black and Hispanic communities in Atlanta, Austin, Texas, Cambridge, Dallas, Texas, Denver, Colorado, Houston, Texas, and Philadelphia. And they're also looking to expand into other markets like Miami, Washington, D.C., Chicago, New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco. So you got to be on the lookout to make sure that your city is on the list for cities that qualify for this. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. We can go on and on and on and on, but I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description section below for you to go reference and see for yourself if you qualify for this program. So that right here, there's a little application that form that you fill out, and a city agent will contact you and let you know the next steps. But again, I really want to hear from you. In my opinion, this program is going to help a lot of families, but it gives me 2008 vibes all over again. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think this home run program, this home run mortgage program, is going to be helpful to families that need it real bad? Or do you think there's a catch here? Do you think there's actually something that's not very right about this? Something that's, just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let the people know. The people deserve to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you think you've enjoyed this video, you've gained some insight from this video, feel free to give this video a thumbs up to help other people get this information quicker. People deserve to know how to put money in their pocket and deserve to live financially well in 2022. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Stay safe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.